Civil engineering is evolving faster than ever before. Think about it for a moment. Projects that once took years to design are now expected in a matter of months. Costs are rising, deadlines are shrinking, and clients want precision with zero tolerance for mistakes. On top of that, regulations are getting more complicated and the demand for advanced design solutions keeps growing. These pressures are reshaping what it means to succeed in this industry. And it brings us back to the central question. Is your civil engineering team truly ready to tackle these modern challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For many firms, the answer is not so clear. Recruiting talent is expensive and time-consuming. Training people takes effort, and just when they become good enough, some of them leave for better opportunities. That cycle repeats, eating away at stability and slowing down projects. Even when a team is fully staffed, the workload rarely stays balanced. Some months feel overwhelming, with engineers working nights and weekends, while other months feel quiet but still costly because salaries and overhead never stop. And of course, quality is always on the line. One mistake in a drawing, one missed detail, can lead to delays, rework, or worse, damage to a firm's reputation. This is the reality for many engineering companies today. But there is another way forward. A way that combines stability, advanced technology, and a team culture built not only for performance, but for long-term growth. This is the story of AXA Engineers. AXA Engineers has become a trusted partner for firms across the United States, Australia, and beyond. With a team of more than 80 engineers and CAD experts, the company integrates seamlessly into projects, delivering accuracy, efficiency, and reliability at every step. What sets AXA Engineers apart is not just the size of the team, but the way it operates. Every engineer is trained to think like an owner of the project, not just an executor of tasks. That mindset creates consistency, problem-solving, and a level of accountability that clients immediately notice. At the center of it all is a guiding philosophy called high performance and happiness. The belief is straightforward. When engineers are happy, they do their best work. When they thrive, they create solutions that go beyond expectations. This philosophy is supported by the ATED program, which develops not only technical expertise, but also the right mindsets. Engineers learn to focus deeply, improve continuously, take initiative, and approach challenges with a problem-solving attitude. Instead of waiting for instructions, they step forward, identify issues early, and deliver better outcomes. Technology plays a huge role as well. AXA Engineers uses Civil 3D, InfraWorks, the Autodesk Construction Cloud, and other powerful tools to handle projects with precision and efficiency. Imagine turning complex terrains into optimized grading plans that balance cut and fill. Imagine designing stormwater systems that meet environmental regulations with accuracy and cost savings. Imagine detecting utility conflicts in 3D before construction begins, avoiding costly surprises in the field. These are not theories. They are real results delivered by a team that embraces digital transformation at every stage. From conceptual sketches to detailed construction drawings and final as-builts, every step is backed by advanced tools and a commitment to excellence. AXA Engineers helps solve the talent shortage by providing a stable, highly skilled team that stays consistent over time. Workload fluctuations are no longer a source of stress because the company operates with a flexible dual-shift model that allows projects to move forward while clients rest. Deadlines that once felt impossible become achievable. Intellectual property is safeguarded with strict security protocols, ensuring that sensitive data stays protected. And most importantly, every deliverable comes with the peace of mind that it has been checked, verified, and prepared to meet the highest standards. So let's return to the original question. Is your civil engineering team ready to tackle modern challenges? For many firms, the answer requires rethinking how work gets done and who stands alongside them. AXA Engineers offers more than a service. It offers partnership, innovation, and stability. Because in civil engineering, success is not only about drawings and deadlines, it is about trust, about building sustainable solutions, and about leaving a positive legacy. With AXA Engineers as a partner, that legacy becomes not just possible, but inevitable. And now it is your turn. What do you think? Is your team ready for the future of engineering, or is it time to look at new ways of working? Comment below, and let's start the conversation.